Hey everyone, welcome to Robotics 101. This is my first video in a series of introductory robotics videos aimed at people who want to get into robotics but aren't really sure where to start. In this series, we'll be covering everything from basic CAD to learning some simple programming concepts and also learning how to build your first circuit and hopefully your first robot. So without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is robotics? Well, when you first hear the word robot, you probably think of something that walks and talks like a human and is powered by AI that will one day take over the world. Wait, what? No, but seriously, robotics has several different branches. There are industrial robots, aerospace robots, commercial robots, medical robots, military robots, self-driving cars, and so many more. In the next video, we're going to be taking a look at my 3-axis robot arm and understand the basic principles that make it work. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new and if you're going to follow this new series. And I'll see you in the next video.